you want to promote business related products through Clickbank, and this video is the right video for you. I'm going to share with you some ways if you're a complete beginner, and this is a tutorial for complete beginners how you can promote business related products on Clickbank, and with ways or methods to promote those products for free. And let's jump right in this video right now without wasting any second. So to earn commissions, you can earn commissions by referring customers to other people's products or services, and these are business related service or products. And what you have to do first is to choose a niche, because as you can see here, there's many niches here: affiliate marketing, many different business um, subcategories or niches or other. So it's important you have to define exactly what product you're trying to promote. And first, before doing that, looking for a product, let's look for exactly what you want to promote, what product you want to promote. And select exactly what you want to promote, and then affiliate program a product that is something that you see that there is a lot of sales. You can sort results by gravity, and then what you can do is just decide which product you want to sell and click on affiliate page. That can help, and just learn about the product that you're about to promote. Learn about the product that you want to promote, and then what you have to do, decide on which platform, social media, you're gonna build a community that is interested in that niche. So you have to build a platform. You have to start to uh, let's say there's different options here. You can start to build your following, your community on Pinterest, on Instagram, or a blog, YouTube channel, Instagram page, and then you can create, let's say, tutorial guides, um, talk about the products. You see, it's content related to this niche, which is business, and depending on that product, uh, you know, and make sure you create content. Make sure you optimize. Let's say if it's YouTube, create a good thumbnail, optimize SEO, keywords, description, headlines, and just work to build your account. For instance, if I have this Instagram, Pinterest page, and I building this page, so I have to be consistent, create content. Create content. I'm not creating content. I'm just sharing other people content on Pinterest, and I'm giving credit. That's something you can do as well. Now, if it's business and this is a business product, you can start a YouTube channel and just talk about business. Make sure you're consistent. I'll repeat myself. It takes a lot of time to build. It takes time to build a page, build a YouTube channel, but that's something you can do. You can talk about business. Make sure you inform yourself. You learn about as I said, just make sure you know exactly what's your product, what product you chose from Clickbank, and then talk about things that are related to that niche, that your product. If your product is in business niche, talk about things that are related to business. So you build your YouTube channel. It's gonna take time. Make sure you customize your YouTube channel, your thumbnail, your logo. You can create a logo with Canva. If you write here logo, and then you logo business, logo business, and click on it. Now there's a lot of logos available for you, so you can just design and just customize your YouTube channel. Add customized logo, really nice logo here, and you also can add a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Here you have a YouTube channel, YouTube channel logo. So you have all the options here. Business, thumbnail. Here you have a thumbnail or a logo for a YouTube channel or a thumbnail. Sorry, a banner, not a thumbnail. Banner here for YouTube. That's gaming, but you can write here business. And obviously customize this and change it. And you can use Canva. You can also use Canva to create content for Pinterest if you decide to share, to create a community that's, you know, on Pinterest. So you can use Canva to create, you can share videos or images. Make sure you personalize your Pinterest account as well. Now, if you decide to share, to create, or to use Instagram, then make sure you personalize your Instagram as well. Then you start to share content, to create content. And something you have to remember is don't paste for each, let's say if it's on Pinterest, you have a board here, you can create a board here, and then in that board, when you create paints, make sure you don't just copy your affiliate link and paste it here, and that's same things applies to Instagram or TikTok. Maybe, don't just paste your affiliate link there. There's many reasons, because this can come across as spammy, and there's a higher chance you won't see any results. And also another really important point here on Pinterest, if I just paste my affiliate link right here, there's a chance high probability Pinterest will deactivate my account. So make sure you don't paste your affiliate link there. What you can do is actually to use a page. You can use Google Sites to create the website within Google Sites here. Doesn't look that professional, but it does the job. So if you have this, create a page, click on this plus here, enter your name, enter your logo here. You can add an image here about that product. It's really simple, this website. And in here, I linked a link to this image. So people, if you click on this image, they'll be directed to the affiliate link, or you can use a link tree and here add your affiliate link. Here you can add your affiliate link, click on add, and then share your link tree, this link where people will be able to, they will see this, how to browser, and then here they will see the link, and that's something that you can do. And you can also use get response. There's a lot of possibilities there, a lot of options. Create an account and then go to a landing page, create an account on get response, then go to landing pages, and you can create a landing page in order to promote, in order just to add your affiliate link. Then you can click on page. I use the legacy editor, and here there's many templates, very simple template, and you can add an image. You can just add and edit that page, that landing page, with things that are related to that product. Obviously, go to the affiliate page, and here you can download some images, text,